Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I want to show you how I make my ribbons for packages. I recently started Christmas shopping and I like to wrap and bow my presents right away. So this way I don't have that many to wrap and bow all at once. So I have this gift already wrapped with Santa Claus all over it, and I would like to show you now how I make my bow. Now I use satin ribbon, and how you make the bow is you have to make a loop, and it all depends how big you want your bow. If you want a small bow, then you only make a small loop. If you want a bigger bow, you make the loop bigger. So for this package, I'm going to make my bow a little bigger. So you just make your loop, and then you take your Scotch tape, and then you put it over here and press it down, and now you got your loop, and now you keep going around, and you could go as many times as you want, because the more you go around, the more that your bow will be much fuller. The less ribbon you use, it won't be as full. So I'm going to do quite a bit of the ribbon around, because I want to have a full bow. I use these on all different packages that I make. I make these bows all the time for birthdays, for Christmas, for anniversaries, all different occasions. And I've been making them for years. Okay, I think I have enough. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what this ribbon is twisting on me, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it over here. And now you could see I put the Scotch tape over here, so you don't want to cut it where the Scotch tape is. So you hold it, you put the ribbon like this, and then you fold it like this. And now this is where you make your cuts. You make one cut there, and you make one cut like this on the other side. Okay, so now you have, it looks like this. So what you could do is, if you like, you could use curly ribbon and tie it around to hold it, or you could take this satin ribbon and cut it, and then you could cut a strip like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I would save this piece to make other ribbons, other bows, so you don't throw this away. Now I'm going to take this piece and you tie it around. Tie it around. Then I make another knot. Make a knot, tie it around and make a knot and pull it, and this becomes what you could tie the package on with. Now what you do is you have to now take each piece of the ribbon, each section, and you have to pull it towards you. Like you do one side, then you do the other side. And then you bring it forward. And you have to make sure that you only have one piece. And as you could see, the bow is starting to form and get its shape. Now you go to this side and you have to repeat the same thing. You pull it forward and forward. Forward. And now you grab your two pieces that you tied on, and then you just fix this, and now you see how nice the bow is coming. And you just make sure they're pulled apart and you shape it. Nice. And now you have the bow ready to be put on a package. Now there's two ways that you can attach the bow. You could either take the two ends and you could scotch tape it here, and then you have your bow on your package like this. Or sometimes what I do is I take the ribbon, and you could do it up here, you could do it in the middle, whatever you prefer. Right now I'm going to make it like more in the middle, and you put it here, your ribbon, you put a piece of tape, and then you put it around. Make sure that it's attached good. And then you cut the ribbon over here. And then you take another piece of tape and you attach it here. See? I attached it here. And then I'll take another piece of tape, and then I'll take my two strands of ribbon. I hope you can see it. And I'll attach it right where I put the scotch tape to hold the ribbon down. And then You attach it firmly. And then this is how it is now. These two tails that I have here, all you have to do is cut the tails off. Here's my little package ribbon. And now this package is all ready for me to just to put the tag on it. So I just wanted to show you this is how easy it is to make a nice bow for your package.